If you want to add coupons to your store, you can go to the marketing section, and from here you can click on coupons. Here you can see I have already added one coupon. Now I will show you how we can add the new coupon. Just click on add coupon. Here I'll mention the coupon code which the customer has to add. So it is suppose flat 100. Now here I can mention daily discount. This name is only visible to you, so you can manage it according to your choice. Now if you want to select any particular category, then you can select any particular category, single categories. If you want all the categories, then you can select all the categories. So the coupon will be applicable on all the categories. Now comes the start date. Start date always should be from the present date. You should not select the past date, otherwise the coupon won't be generated. Now you can keep the end date, so I am selecting the end date as 31st. Minimum order amount means the coupon has to be placed according to minimum order amount. So here I am keeping minimum order amount as 500 rupees. For redemption of limit I am giving 5 coupons only. Okay. Now here if I want to mention according to the amount, if I want to give discount type as amount, I will select amount, and here I will select the discount amount, and I will directly save it from here. Now let's check on the checkout page. Here you can see we will click on view all coupons, and here the customer will see the discount coupon which we have mentioned. He will get the details, like he is getting discount of 100 rupees on so and so categories, and it is valid from this date to this date, and the coupon code he has to use. So he can directly click here and he can directly apply it. Now here you have seen a message that it is not applicable as per the cart amount. Why? Because the minimum amount should be of 500. Here you can see the price is 499. So although there is only 1 rupee difference, so the coupon won't be applied. So in case a customer is ordering any other product, or if he increases the quantity of this and then he applies the coupon, here you can see now the coupon will be applicable. So customer has to make sure that what is the price of the product he has added and how the coupon will be applied. If he does something wrong, or if he goes some step wrong, then it will not be accepted over here. So here you can see the coupon has been applied, the coupon discount has been added, and the price has been deducted accordingly. Now let's get back to the admin panel. Now here you can see there are several ways we can add the coupons as we saw earlier. Suppose here I am giving 10% discount, so I'll just mention DISC and 10. Okay, this is the discount coupon. So coupon name discount, %. Okay, this is just for our reference. If I want only on women's category, so I'll select only women's category. The minimum order should be of suppose let's say 399, and the maximum coupon redemption again I am giving it as 5 only. Now I can select the discount type as percentage or free delivery, whichever I want. So here I am selecting it as percentage. Discount percentage I am selecting as 5% discount, or let's say we can say 10% discount. Maximum discount amount has to be of, we can mention it as 150, and we can save it. Don't forget to enter the start date, otherwise the coupon won't be generated. So here you will get the mark, you will get the error, so you can do the details, you can fill the details from here and save it. So here we have added the discount coupon also for percentage. Now we will again go to the cart and we will check it once again. So here I will just see the discount of, once again I will refresh it once. So here you have seen that we have added a coupon only on women's category. Okay, suppose if I am buying this thing and I click on buy now. Now there are 2 items onto my cart. Here I am selecting this one, and here if I click on view all coupon, now there are two discount coupons. Okay, one is for 399 and one is for 500. Suppose if I am selecting this one, it will be applicable and 10% discount of the price will be deducted from here. So this is how the percentage coupon works on. Let's see the last one, which is free delivery. It will also be the same only. Here whatsoever coupon is applicable, the customer will get free delivery on that particular product. So this was how you can manage the coupons from your website, and you can attract the customers towards your website.